I made a really big tower. Wow, it's the biggest tower ever. Oh. Oh. It's hurt.
Hazel, look!
A little bird. She flew into our house. I do not want to go near it. I am scared. She is not going to hurt you, Hazel. Look, she is scared too.
Oh.
A little bird. She is frightened. We must be very quiet.
What do we do, Mummy? How do we help her?
We will help her. Do not worry. First, we get her some water and some small pieces of bread.
She is drinking. She is drinking the water. She likes it. She was thirsty. I will call her Donnie. She looks like a Donnie. I like that name. You are safe now, Donnie. We will not hurt you. I think Donnie wants to go home now. She looks happy, but she misses outside. You are right. She does not belong inside. She belongs in the sky. Goodbye, Donnie. Fly home. Be happy.
She is gone.
You took care of her, and then you let her go. That is real kindness.
I am so proud of you both. Both of you. We loved her. So we let her go.